Hello, welcome to our live stream room. Thank you. Let's go out from our gate and start today's live stream. Hi, welcome to our live stream room. It's Denver. Today is a very, very sunny day, and our today's main topic about how environmental friendly our product can be. And before I introduce you on today's main topic, please allow me to introduce you our factory a little bit. So in case there are new friends who don't know our factory a little bit very well, right? Okay. So first, this is our brandstone. You may say it's in Chinese, right? Its Chinese name is called Sunlightweld, so it has the same pronunciation as our English name. And also, you could say our logo over here. So if you have chance to go to our city, talk with us about our product, or you can have a chance to visit, you may directly tell the driver we're going to Sunlight, so that's where are we. Okay, so let's camera turn around and let's show you the surroundings. So we're now in the industrial zone, so you can see from the image that we're truly in the factory zone, in the industrial zone. We're not trading company, we're direct factory. Okay, so let's go inside. Actually, our factory is very low, is very near to the panda base, and we are at the hometown of the panda. And also, we have hot spots. So, after you have already know this, so do you have more deeply understanding to our factory? Okay, over there has our warehouse and also the parking lots, and also some production line for the gym. And also over there has our offices, has our production line for exothermic welding, and our factory has like over 20,000 square meters range. And not just only this building, we also have another city has our another factory for the copper bond steel and other earthing industry goods, and also have another building especially for the lightning warning system and other lightning protection goods. Okay, so let's go to come to our today's main topic. Okay, so we're going to talk about how our products can be environmentally friendly. So let's go inside and go to our office room and show you our main topic. Okay, this is our very official and large room for our meeting. And we will usually do our meeting in this room. And you could see both sides of our walls full of our certificates and also some awards of ours. So you could see during all these 20 years research and you know kind of production in earthing industry, we have already got a lot of certificates in this industry and become one of the greatest leading factory in this earthing industry. Okay, so let's come to our today's main topic. So before I'm gonna show you our demonstration and show you how our products works, and we have a few pictures to tell you the history of why do we do this upgrading for the let's say environmentally friendly package. So this first picture you could see back to 20 years ago, Like when I was young, like in year 2000, actually in our surroundings had a lot of the plastic bottles, plastic chairs, and also some other pollutants. And I'm not exaggerating, this is real. Back to those years ago, we have our river we depend full of the pollutants. And what was worse is this picture. You could say, this is for real. Our kids had no place to row their boat. So, and this picture is also the same as when I was young. So the factory full of the thick smoke. So the sky has all of the thick smoke, and we can barely see the stars when it was at night. So after all these years, our people start to realize we have to change. Otherwise, our kids is gonna live in the place that nobody can bear with. So we start to change. We start to have a lot of new policy. So this is the factory, what it looks like right now. So you can see we no longer have the thick smoke. We have the very light and the white color smoke. So this kind of smoke is very clean because its components is droplets and also air. So it's very clean, right? So thanks for all these years' efforts. We finally, let's say, received a very, very great results. And as a leading factory in the earth industry, our company also are very, very responsible for the environmental friendly, let's say, environmental friendly policy, right? So as you can see this picture, we have already got the ISO certificates for the environment management system, ISO. And this picture also for the exothermic welding, we have already got the ROSE certificate. So as you can see, ROSE certificate means our products is completely not hazardous at all. It doesn't have any hazardous elements, both from products itself and also from the package. Okay, so not only for this, more than this, we have already did another big step to our products. So what I'm gonna show you is the package of our very new products this year. It is this. This year we did a very great gesture to the future. We are not just only restrict to the past policy to be responsible to the environment. We also did another big step to the future's environmental friendly strategy. We use the new packaging as like this. So its package is called the pulp box. So later when I go to our lab center, I'm gonna show you our older generation package and also compare with our new generation package. So from this box, you could say its color is very original, right? It doesn't have any other color. And if you use your hand to touch it, you could feel its pulp. It's like a plant fiber. So what's the advantage does it have? So from this picture you could see these are some pulp cup. So just to have the same material as this pulp box. So if we put a plant seeds into the pulp cup, after a few days you could see this picture. After a few days you could see the original shape of this cup, right? But the pulp has already completely degraded. So that's how magic it is, because the pulp cup can be degraded after a few days. So same as this box too, it can be degraded. Okay, if it's not very obvious, you can see this picture. You can see this picture. This picture also had the same material as pulp, just different color. So this is the first day. If we put the pulp in a very, very decomposed environment, so after like 7 days, you could see the colors changing. After 12 days, you could see some parts of the of the plate start to degrade it, and after 20 days, they're just having a very small parts of the plate is here. So the majority of this plate has already gone. So the new plants start to grow. So that's very magic, right? So that's why do we do this upgrading to the package. And not just only for the package itself. So let's open the box and check inside. We have one layer for this kind of plates can place the cup. And we also have the second layer, which is the box. So make sure it's safe enough for the shipping, and then make it safe enough to the environment. And inside we also have our cup. You see, very beautiful cup. And then let's see this picture. So this picture, you see other brands EPLUS, other brands electronic powder, after they did the exothermic welding exothermic welding joint. Okay, so for other brands, you could say has like over 70 grams residual, so it's not good. But if you check our brands, you could say this is Sunlightweld EPLUS cups residual. So after we did the welding, you could say there's no metal cup at all. There's only a very few left. So its total weight is about 25 grams. It's like 1/3 of the other brands. So not only from the package, also from the product itself, we are all environmentally friendly. Okay, so that's all for the topic and first material stage. So let's go to our lab center and check what it looks like after we did the exothermic welding. Is it truly that few as Amber was saying? So let's check. Okay, you can go and follow with me to our lab center. It's a bit long way to go to our lab center. And let's talk about more about today's main topic. If you have any question, you may leave your comments below. So you could say Sunlightweld is trying to be more responsible to our environment. So today and this year, this is only our very first step to the environmentally friendly package. I hope in the future we could do better and better. Hopefully we can build a more and much better world by our own efforts. So when we passing by the factory sites, the roads, you could say at both sides we have a lot of our products, and also especially this room, you could check. This is our warehouse and also our packing center. We will pack a lot of goods every day, so that's why we're trying to upgrade a better package. So after a big amount of every day's production, hopefully we can build less and less pollutants. Hi friends, if you have any question, you may leave your comments and you may discuss with us right now, and you may also talk about your good idea about the environmental friendly topic, right? Okay, so this is it. This is our lab center. And it's especially belong to Sunlightweld. And it's a unique lab center. It's only, you can see the lab center in our factory. So it's very unique and very rare. It's not very common to see a factory who has a unique lab center. Okay, I'm gonna go and ask our engineer out and to show you the electronic exothermic welding. So this is our new packaging, right? And before we upgrade to the new package. Older generation, we use the foam box. So depends on theory of the degrading. The foam box should use like over than 50 years, or sometimes let's say over than 100 years to degrade. So it needs a long time to degrade. So it's not environmentally friendly at all. So we decide to change. Let's say you cannot put all of this box into your bag and then take them to the garbage can, right? It's very not convenient. So we try to use the new package as this one. So which means if you use all of them, you can just directly throw this hot box to a random place, yeah, without taking them to the garbage can. So it's very convenient, right? And also we will do the plastic cover to this box too, trying to keep it dry. Okay, now our engineer is doing the preheating to our molds and also the conductors, and then later we're going to show you the exothermic welding for the electronic way, and after that we're going to show you how much residuals it's left. And talk about the environmentally friendly, you can see our molds. Our molds have a very good quality, so it has so much better quality than all the other brands. So if you use other brands molds for 50 times the tops, but if you use our molds, it can be used for at least 70 times. And sometimes if you use them very well, you can use for like at least 100 times. So both from the package for the powder and also to the molds and also to the electronic starter, they're all very environmentally friendly, right? Okay, so for the powder and molds, we want to introduce you about our electronic starter. So by pressing the red button over there, you can start the starter. Okay, the starter can be the welding joint for like over than 5,000 joints. So this is also very environmentally friendly. It can be used for a lot of times. So, and it's good quality too. All you need to do is to use a wire to connect with the starter to the molds, to the cups, and then to start the whole welding. It's very convenient and very environmentally friendly. Okay, have you ever seen our starter before? When you press the red button, you can see we have a lot of functions. You choose the battery, how much battery do you have? You choose how many welding joints we are currently done. And by pressing the black button and red button at the same time, you could start the welding. Because I'm not connecting the wire with the cups, so it didn't work. But later you can see how our engineer is operating the machine. Okay, we have already finished the whole preheating job. Now, Okay, my friends, after we using out all the foam box package, we will fully change all the package into our new environmentally friendly package, which is also the hot box. We're still trying to did the kind of transferring from the last generation to the new generation. Okay, you can see our product is very convenient. All you need to do is to put the glass cup into the mold, and then use the wire to connect the mold with our starter. And so you can see that Sunlightweld is not only be responsible to the quality and also be responsible to the safety, right? We're using the protection cover. And okay, so now we press the button. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. So that's very convenient and safe, right? And let's see how much residual does it have. How you could say we don't have the metal cup. We only have a very, very less residual since it's powder 90. So you could say it has slightly more residuals than the 60 powder. But it's okay. It still has very, very less residuals. Beautiful joint, right? Besides the environmentally friendly design, besides the convenience, we also have very, very strong quality to all the products. Okay, thanks. Oh my God, I wish I could have a scale. I wish I could have a scale to weight it. So since I cannot do it right now, do you have desire to try it by your own? You can try use your scale to weigh how much the residual does it have, and also you can try to load the plant seeds with our hot box, see if it's really degraded that fast. So I'm very, very excited to wait for you to contact us. You may directly contact us through the YouTube, or you may just write us email through our web address. You can Google our name, Sunlightweld, and input the Sunlightweld several letters in Google, and you can find our sales, and you can order the full units of the exothermic welding kits, right? The starter, the cups, and also the molds, right? You can try the full unit, and then you can try if it's that true as Amber was saying. Do you have any other question right now, my friends? Okay, if you contact us right now, or you can contact us through our emails and try to attach with our live stream information, we can send you a full free unit of the sample. Yeah, you can directly get the free sample of our exothermic welding kits. So I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for your more information. Okay, so if you don't have any other questions, I'm gonna say goodbye for today's live streaming. Okay, so we will do live stream every month. So excited to see you next time. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.